In this video, I am going to be showing you how to install Ubuntu on your laptop or your computer as a secondary operating system using VirtualBox. If you're finding this channel for the first time, we upload videos on Linux tutorials, programming, and helpful Android tricks. If this interests you, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications to be notified when I upload another video. Without wasting much of your time, let's get to the video. Launch your browser and go to the website ubuntu.com. Okay, on ubuntu.com you're going to click on download and you're going to locate download Ubuntu desktop. And when we get to the download page, you're going to be downloading the latest version of Ubuntu, which is the Intel or AMD 64-bit architecture. Okay, so you're going to download that. It is about 6 gig. You're just going to click on download and it should download the latest version of Ubuntu on your system. If you don't want the latest version, you can easily check out the alternative downloads for the old versions. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we are downloading the latest version, so you're going to click on download and you're going to wait for the ISO file to finish downloading. Okay, now after downloading Ubuntu, another important application to download is VirtualBox, because we're going to be launching Ubuntu on VirtualBox. Okay, so on a new tab, you're going to search for VirtualBox and you're going to wait for it to load up. The website is virtualbox.org. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below. On the website, you're going to click on download and it should bring you to this page where there's different VirtualBox packages for you to download. So if you're using Windows, you're going to be downloading the Windows host. If you're using macOS, you download the macOS host. Okay, you're going to download VirtualBox package and you also download the extension pack. Now, after downloading both packages, you're going to install both VirtualBox and its extension pack. Okay, now after downloading and installing VirtualBox and its extension pack, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to launch VirtualBox application. Okay, and after launching the application, you're going to click on new and we want to name this particular file, so we're going to name it Ubuntu, since Ubuntu is the operating system we are trying to launch on this VirtualBox. Okay, so we're going to name it Ubuntu and we're going to select the ISO image we just downloaded from the Ubuntu's website. Okay, so we're going to click on the ISO file and we're going to open that. Okay, and as you can see, automatically the VirtualBox machine has detected that the software is Ubuntu and the version, it has detected all of that already. Okay, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to change a few settings in the package before actually installing it. Okay, so in the username, you want to use any username of your choice. In my case, I'm just going to be using bed. Okay, and you're going to set your password and you're going to repeat that password. Okay, so after setting password, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to set up base memory for Ubuntu to operate on. Me, I like to keep it at the middle. Okay, so that I don't overwhelm my CPU and at the same time Ubuntu has enough space to work with. So I'm just going to set the base memory to about 3 gig and I'm also going to set the CPU processor to about 4 processors. Okay, and that should be enough. And when it comes to the hard disk, I'm going to shift the hard disk storage from 25 gig to 50 gig so that there's just enough space on my Ubuntu and it doesn't lag. Okay, and at the same time it doesn't overwhelm my CPU, right? So this is how I like to keep my storage settings. And after this, you can now click on finish. Okay, you can now click on finish and you let the installation of Ubuntu begin. Right, so just before I click on finish, I want to go through all of this again to make sure everything is okay, and that is it. You're going to click on finish and the virtual machine is going to power up VirtualBox. Okay, and as you can see, it is trying to install the package on my VirtualBox now. So this is going to take a lot of time. Just let it take the time it needs to take, and the whole thing should be automatic and fast, right? So as you can see, Ubuntu has been installed on my operating system. So it says welcome to Ubuntu. Here is just, the basic setup. Enable Ubuntu Pro. No, I don't need Ubuntu Pro for now. Do I want to help send information to Ubuntu? No, I don't want that. Okay, so you're just going to set all of this and you're going to finish. The whole thing doesn't take more than 30 minutes to 1 hour, right? And this is it. So Ubuntu has been installed on my system now, and you can now basically use Ubuntu, use the Snap Store, use the command line interface, use everything on Ubuntu like you would as if you installed it on your normal, as if you installed it as the host operating system on your computer. Okay, the difference is you install this on a virtual machine. Okay, so this is how you install Ubuntu as a secondary operating system on your laptop, your PC, on your computer. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you click the subscribe button and turn on bell notifications to be notified when I upload another video. Thanks for watching and I hope to see you in the next video. Goodbye.